All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So collaborate, 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 working together on something. Yes, I will collaborate with them. They need to learn how to collaborate. Yeah, their collaboration is vital for our success. Yeah, them working together and us all working together is vital. They are trying to collaborate on the project. Yeah, he needs to collaborate with his team. She wants them to collaborate with me. She wants them to collaborate with me. Yeah. It can only work and be achieved if we all collaborate together. Together. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So they used to collaborate, but not anymore. Since they fell apart, they don't collaborate anymore. Yeah, they don't collaborate anymore. No. I'm collaborating with them on the art project, the art development. Yeah. They think they will collaborate with me. Yeah, they might do. They might not. It depends on things. How cool is that? Yeah. When they get here, they'll need to collaborate closely with them. Yeah. Their collaboration is needed. They know how to work together. They collaborate very easily. Easily, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, easily collaborate. Yeah. So collaborate, working together on something, a project, a task, a job, a mission. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use collaborate in a sentence? Can you use it, write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.